Hi besties, this is a start to finish gel-X nail tutorial. Very beginner friendly, no drill needed, so keep on watching. Starting off with preparation, here you need a file, a cuticle pusher, and some cuticle remover gel. File your nails as you desire. I like to keep them short and neat. After you're satisfied, apply some of the cuticle gel. This will soften your cuticles, so when you push them down, it should go smoothly without any pain. If you felt like you're struggling, stop and work the gel in again, because this should really be effortless and most importantly, painless. I'm getting rid of any residue with this little cleaner brush, and again, don't do this with pressure. This shouldn't hurt or cause any pain. To make sure your nails are clean and oil free, take some nail remover and go through each nail. Now we're ready to measure the nail sizes. Here I'm using the Chiara Sky Jelly Tips in medium stiletto and going through a few sizes when I'm picking my nail tips. I like to put them in order straight away. This will make the application process easier because you will exactly know which tip goes on what nail. Now I'm gonna show you two ways on how to prepare your nail tip. I will do one side with the drill and the other side with the prep booster. So the girlies who don't have a drill still will have long-lasting nails. For the prep booster, you will notice the consistency is very liquidy, almost like water. But the more you rub it in, you will find it become tackier, and that's when you know it's ready for application. Before we start anything that has to do with UV light, make sure to put your sunscreen on, and additionally to that, I also wear some gloves. After that, one more time, clean your nails with nail remover. To prepare your own nail, put on Dehydrator and then the prep booster. I never file down my own nails because that will ruin your natural nails, so don't make that mistake and just use a prep booster. It will work just as fine and make your gel-X nails last up to 5 weeks. Now we're finally ready to apply the gel tips. I'm using the Gelish Soft Gel Tip Adhesive, applying this on the whole nail area, and I concentrate whatever is left on the cuticle side. When you're ready, gently put on the nail tip, starting a tiny bit away from your actual cuticle, and gently press down till the gel goes all the way up to your tips and then cure. I personally always apply my nails about 1 millimeter away from my cuticles, and later on apply a thin layer of top coat, connecting the empty space of 1 millimeter to the gel-X nail, so when it grows out, it's smoother and you don't have the lifting issues. This will also make it easier for the girlies who don't have a drill, because you will be able to easily file the edges without having to touch your cuticles or damage them. So overall, this method will make your nails look seamless, as if they're your own. After all your nails are applied, cure them one more time in the big lamp. I'm using the Chiara Sky lamp here on the 90-second setting. Now it's time to make your nails seamless by filing it down either with a drill or, as mentioned before, with a file. This should be very easy without causing any damage to your cuticles. You can also file down the whole nail to make your top coat stick on the nail better. Now it's time to look for some inspo if you haven't done so yet and decide what design to go for. I like to make a vision board for myself, especially if I'm doubting and not sure on what design I want to do. I always start off with applying a top coat, and the one I'm using is the builder gel from Pink Gelac. I love this builder gel because it also is removable, so it goes away with your Gelac nail tips in the removal process. For the base color, I'm using Lunar or Later from Chiara Sky. It's my absolute favorite because it suits all skin tones. As we're going for the faded design effect, I'm using the Blooming Gel by Gelish. So you apply a layer of that and go in with your design. I do this one by one because if you leave them on for too long without curing the nail, your design will continue fading. So cure whenever you're happy with how it looks.
Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why you going nowhere special? tell you why I be more. Waking up late, being up late, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Waking up late, being up late, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules.
Now it's time for the rhinestones. I'm gonna go in with the Chiara Sky non-wipe top coat first, and then before curing, apply the rhinestones where I want them. They will stick on the nails with the top coat. This way you won't need any extra glue. The last and most important step is applying some cuticle oil to restore and nourish your cuticles and nails after working on them for so long. Here they are. I absolutely love them. They're so colorful and perfect for summer. I had so much fun creating them and filming this for you. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you with doing your Gel-X nails. And if you have any questions or you feel like I missed out on anything, please comment below and I will for sure answer. Thank you so much for watching, and for 100 subscribers. I am so grateful and happy you're joining my little channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.